Traxxas Hobby. Today we're going to be changing the front and rear A-arms. We bought them on eBay. Check eBay out, they're a good store. Be sure to like and subscribe. First, we take the 3 screws from the bumper off. Then 2 screws up there. There's 1 screw on the plate. You would need pliers too. Now we take the screw off on the A-arm. Now the suspension. Line it up to that. Make sure the screw holes are out towards the suspension. Put the arm in. Make sure it's in all the way. It's supposed to be sticking out. Now put that screw in. Then get your screwdriver, tighten it. Now we're on the rear. Take the bolt, the rear, put the rear one on, put the screw in, put the other screw in where the suspension is, put the wheel on, put the nut on, and you're good to go. Put the bumper on. 2 screws there. Two screws there. This will work on any Traxxas parts that they give you. This is what it looks like. Now to test. We will test in all-terrain, gravel, mulch, and road. One rollover, they seem to handle really nice. Real strong and sturdy, real good quality. You don't want to buy them. There's a ton of other ones you can get. Those were made in China, so you don't have to get those ones. Handle's really good. Handle's the same as it was. Doesn't handle really any difference. Good for if you're jumping. And for racing. Drives nice. suspension, I think it goes higher now, so you have more ground clearance. This is a speed run on the road. And be sure to comment. We are now having a video every week.